Global equity markets were mixed overnight with both red and black ink on the board. Effectively, there were some small losses coupled with small gains. It is difficult to pin down exactly why markets moved like this today, other than to say they acted a bit more normal for a change. It was interesting to hear what several US officials had to say about AIG today. They were testifying in front of the House Financial Services Committee. Somewhat eye-opening was Bernanke's opinion that AIG's failure could conceivably have resulted in a 1930s-style global financial and economic meltdown, with catastrophic implications for production, income and jobs. Earlier this week I talked about interest rates. While US Treasuries, which give a good indication of wholesale interest rates in the US, continue creeping up. They fell by about 0.5% last week when the Treasury announced their big spend up. But as expected, they have given back some of this drop as the US government looks to raise debt to pay for these bailouts. Rates have been increasing as close to $100 billion comes on the market this week. Putting this into context, the US is looking to borrow close to 5 times the debt in the whole agricultural sector in New Zealand in just 3 days. In other news, the Europeans are once again under scrutiny. Remember, the EU is an important market for meat and other agricultural products. Global dairy markets remain little changed over the past few weeks. While we have witnessed a big drop in international prices, there are positives for the industry. Export statistics from 2008 suggest that New Zealand's key export markets are well diversified regionally as well as economically. In more general terms, we have been able to spread product around, which helps in these tougher markets. Of some of our top export markets, the economic outlook is mixed, with the exception of the Philippines, China, Indonesia and Sri Lanka, whose economies will still grow this year despite the recession. I still maintain farmers need to be conservative and prepare for a payout in the mid to late $4 for next season.